always work with the sustainable material. And the Lagstal designs, what we have done, that's like more the product designing, we worked with a sustainable material like bamboo as an interior. Everything is more like a sustainable. It's in-house production, whatever the lampshade we are saying, whatever product outlets, and most of, like, maybe not 100%, maybe like 80% is everything in-house product in a Lagstal Design Studio. That is a main concept. We wanted to give people like away from home to the more feel like we have everything inside, like what home we need to be like in terms of comfort and the requirement, in the kitchen, like what do you call it? I don't know. It's just there's so many things. Whatever you require in a one small home, the comfort and everything is here. On top of that, like USB is the heart of the MG, so we need to do it everywhere.
So final question, I just wanted to ask you, like, since you're located on the main MG market, new market in India, there are so many other hotels in this area, so many options. So I wanted to ask you, how do you think it is different from others? How do you distinguish your property from others?
This is a service apartment. Service apartment, the Airbnb type. People can come here with a family. They can cook themselves, whatever their food is. And it's very comfy, cozy. The environment like a home. It's more like environment is like a home next to your home. Is like your home kind of thing, So we have everything, like when you're looking for